Hi, good morning, guys. Morning. It's an early morning. It's a Saturday morning. I almost couldn't wake up. And last night I was preparing this slide, and it took me about 2-3 hours. I wanted to know what I'm going to deliver today. Okay? Can everyone hear me? Yes? Okay. So today I want to share with you many things about the stock market. And my focus is just in Singapore market. Okay? Anyone of you here invest in the Singapore market? Invest, wow, a lot of people. Anyone invest in foreign markets? Wow, reduced by almost 70-80%. Okay? So, okay, very quick, since all of you love Singapore stocks, I love Singapore stocks because my money is, I feel safe with Singapore. Who feels safe with Singapore? Same. Okay, when you put money there in the brokerage firm, UOB, Maybank, Philip Securities, you know your money is safe. So I prefer to put my money in Singapore. Okay, so, and I love Singapore stocks. Why Singapore stocks, guys? Anyone? Because Singapore stocks allows us to what? To work at peace, law. You know what's called peace? If you buy a Hong Kong stock, or if you buy a US stock, or if you buy a Japanese stock, I promise you, when you work halfway, you'll be thinking, hey, my stock, is it in the profits or is it in the loss? Up, down, it fluctuates very fast. You agree with me, guys? Okay, so Singapore market, slow, steady, easy, smaller, and there's a lot of things you can capture with them, a lot of things that you can scan for, okay? So I want to share with you a few things. Okay, I want to share with you a few things. Okay, guys, all of you can take a picture of my blog. All of you can take a picture of my blog. It's going to hit 6 million views by today. Okay, you visit my blog. My last trade, last night, after market close yesterday, my last post was, I made $4,000 in 10 minutes. In this one stock called SpecMan. Anyone saw SpecMan yesterday? Last minute it turned up. So I bought about 1 million shares at 0.121. Okay, you can take a look. You can visit there. Okay. I allow you guys to take pictures first because I'm going to move into the next few slides. Done? I want to wow you guys with something today. Any one of you love this stock called Ronald, Peter Lim stock? Well, I love this stock so much because this stock made me 400,000 in these 2 months. Okay, I'm going to show you my record. So let me move on first. This is my personal lifestyle blog. Sometimes I post some good tips there. Okay, but very seldom. Got too busy with trades. I'm too busy with many events. So sometimes I do post. So in fact, before Rousley ran, it was on this blog. I posted it down there. Before it ran, it was here. Okay, guys? Okay, so you can take a picture. But take a picture, no use. You must go back and visit. Yes or no? Okay, take a seat. Go back and see. Okay, let's move on. Can? Okay. I'll put a disclaimer. Whatever I share today, I'm not asking you to buy a stock. No, I'm soliciting you to get involved in any other stocks. I'm just sharing my years of experience, knowledge, and my skills. How I pick growth stocks. What's my investment strategy for the next year? Okay, so it's very important. Okay, guys. Okay, this is me. You can any questions? You can email me to StockMarketMindGames@gmail.com. I've been here for about 10 years already. I think this is my 10th year. I've been trading for almost 12 years, I think, and I can tell you this. Over the years, I've lost a lot of money. In my early 20s, I lost about, I think, $100,000+. And I went to this country called Dubai to work for a year. And I paid off all my debts. When I came back, I finished my debts. I still lose money when I trade the market. And suddenly, there's this one defining year, 2010 or 2011, I remember. It sparked me. What does it spark me? It sparked me one thing only. And I recovered all my money from there on. Okay? Anybody here wants to know what sparked me? Nobody. Okay, let's move on. Okay. This is me, 2013. I was featured in Sunday Times. Wow, I was featured in Sunday Times. It was a good interview. It's no advertisement. It's all interview. Can you see? So what's your holy grail? Can you see the holy grail? I found the holy grail in the Singapore market. And I tell you what's the holy grail later on. Anybody want to know the holy grail? The holy grail is actually very simple. Any one of you went to the casino before? Some of you went casino, you agree? Casino, if you go to casino, who win? The banker or the player? In the long run, who win? The banker, right? So if you know the banker wins, right? In the stock market, there's also a banker, You agree? But you cannot see this banker. It's very transparent. It could be some high net worth, but you don't see them. Okay, guys? So this banker, I call them the big boys or the big fish or the smart money. You know what I'm saying, guys? So this banker is always at the back. Imagine this. You buy a stock. How come you buy it, cannot move the stock? But suddenly, out of nowhere, the stock just bursts like that. Can you see, guys? So the volume increase. All the banker start to buy up the shares. Okay? So in the stock market, there's banker, but it's very invincible. Okay, guys? So, sorry? Someone asked me something. Okay, so the banker is very invincible. So to win this game, to win this game in the stock market, very important, we need to follow the banker. Who don't understand what I'm saying? Oops. Is it working? Is it working? Okay? To win this game, we need to follow the banker. And when you follow the banker correctly, you win the game. Okay? That's how I made 400K in Rousley in 2 months. Okay? I want to show you guys. Let's move on. This is me, 2015. Still young, still have hair. Hair keep dropping. You know why? Too stressed with it. Okay? But I told myself, it's fine. The appearance not important. Most important is I'm almost 70% retired. You look at me, I look at you. You think I'm young? I think you're most of you here are much elder than me. Most of you are much elder than me. But I'm semi-retired. I'm my mid-30s already. But I'm 70% retired. If I want to teach, I teach. If I don't want to trade, I can don't trade. If I want to go holiday, I can go holiday. You know what I'm saying? Okay? I believe all of you want this kind of lifestyle. Yes or no, guys? So you need to know how to invest in the right stocks. Okay, guys? Watch this. This is me, 2015. Me and my family. I got a little daughter there, And this is me, 2016. 2017, I'm not there. You know why, guys? I reject all the interview. Okay? Because this guy changed my mindset. This guy changed my mindset. Do you know why I reject all the interviews? This guy, Peter Lim. Okay, guys, I'll share you something. My next slide will be very powerful. Guys, I'll ask you guys a question. Any one of you here got about 4 to 5 stocks in your CDB portfolio? Anyone? 4 to 5 stocks. And any one of you that 4 to 5 stocks is underperforming, not moving, up, down, not making money. Guys, I'll let you know something. Peter Lim play one stock, he made $1 billion. Which stock is that? Wilmar. One stock, 1B. You buy 4 to 5 stocks, you diversify, no B. No M also. What does it mean? I'll tell you something. Peter Lim is someone that changed the way how I do things. Peter Lim don't give interview, nor he do any marketing, big marketing. You agree with me, guys? Okay? So I want to reduce my marketing, reduce my visibility so that you don't see me. Okay? So the only way you can see me is you go to my blog. Just I asked you guys to take a picture just now. Okay, guys? So watch this. This is my Rousley trade. Watch this, my Rousley trade. I'm going to show you guys something. Can you see I entered 1 million shares here? Total is 1 million. No, I entered 3 million shares here. Okay? I entered 3 million shares here. Can you see, guys? Can you see 3 million shares? So I entered 3 million shares at 105. Okay? On this date, August 17. Today is August 26. So August 17, which is like 1 week ago, I entered 1 or 2 weeks ago, I entered 3 million shares. Big or small, guys? Big or small? No. Rousley average daily volume is few hundred million. 3 million is not okay any. You agree with me, guys? Not big. Okay? And then, watch this. August 23rd, I think was this week, I entered another 3 million shares, 109. Can you see, guys? So total, I got how many million shares? 6 million shares of Rousley. 109, 105, 109. So my average is 1075. Okay? So I went to accumulate big time in Rousley. Do you know what's the high of Rousley yesterday? Not yesterday, the day before yesterday. Thursday. 124. Anyone saw? 124. Very beautiful. The stock rocket, There's a big news. I think the stock is going to fly anytime soon, So I don't want to waste chance. I want to go in as big as possible. In my own terms, big as possible. Okay, guys? So watch this. But before I enter, I give a lot of WhatsApp to my fellow followers. Guys, Rousley, this price. Rousley, this price. Can you see, guys? Keep telling them, hey, Rousey, this is the price going to fly already. Can you see? Then, watch this. This is the most powerful slide. Watch this. This is the most powerful slide. Can you see Rousey? After the 2-day breakout, it had been coming down for a long, long time. Can you see, guys? And it went to a ranging mode. If you buy any stock in this ranging mode, you'll be dead. Why dead? Because when you buy, you're not sure whether it can go up or whether it can go up or go down. And your funds will be down there jamming. You agree with me, guys? But I bought here. Can you see? 23rd and 5th is 17 is here. When I bought here, boom, it started to fly. Can you see, guys? This is the time when Rousey is going to release a big news. And watch this. Wow, can you see? I accumulated Rousey 3 million here, 104, 105, and 109. 3 million here. Can you see, guys? Wow, this is very unstable. Gotta screw this in. So, can you see accumulated Rousey? And can you see there's no volume here, guys? When I accumulate 105, there's no volume. After I start accumulating, the volume come already. Can you see, guys? So who is this? I only bought 3 million shares. Can you see there's 35 million done here? Obviously, I don't buy 35 million shares. You agree with me, guys? It's from who? Who is that? Wrong. It's the banker from Rousey. That means the company's insiders. I don't know who, but it's the banker. After that, the stock keep rocketing. Can you see the volume keep rising? But my accumulation point is here and here. I buy most people buy on the way down. They average down. Yes or no, guys? I average up. Can you see? Keep rising and rising. So after that, I went to check back my profits. On this day, I'm already up like 100K. Can you see, guys? August 23rd, August 24th. 1 day, 100K. Can you see, guys? This is my UOB Kayhan account. Can you see? Good money or not, guys? Is it good money? So most people tell me, Ron, because you trade very big, that's why you make a lot of money. I said, no. If I trade 6 million shares, you enter 10% of me, 600 lots. Or you say 600 lots too big for you, you enter 5%, 300 lots. At the end, you buy 107 or 109 or 105. The stock rise, you make money. That's all it matters. Who agree, guys? It doesn't matter how big or how small you enter. Because all of us got limits. I cannot go and see Peter Lim's limit and say, I want to enter 1 billion shares. Because I don't have that money. You agree with me, guys? Okay, so everyone has their limits. And true enough, you see Rousey? No. And true enough, can you see? When I start to enter here, 17 and 23rd, the stock started to shock at the stock started to rocket at 124. But if I enter here, dead already. Dead. Your funds will be jammed. You don't, and after you enter, Rousey keep coming down. You'll be thinking to cut loss already. Can you see, guys? So when you buy stocks, you always buy stocks that take issues. They have a story at the background. They're sexy stories. And all these can be captured in the top 30 volume. Okay? So this is just one trade of Rousey. Anyone impressed? 100K in 1 day. Not 1 day. 2 weeks. Anyone impressed? Wow, only a few. I don't even know you can make 100K in 2 weeks. Yes or no, guys? Okay? So you don't have to make 100K. You just reduce 10%. You just take 10% off me. If I make 100K 1 day, in Peter Lim's terms, I only make him like 0.01% only. 0.001% only. Okay, so there's always people that is better than us, but I'm just sharing with you, you don't have to trade big, you can trade smaller. Okay? So this is Rousey. And I want to show you what happened on these 2 days. Anybody here know what happened these 2 days? Rousey? Anybody? Sorry? Okay. Do you know what I bought? I bought before Peter Lim. Really? I bought before Peter Lim. I'm going to show you my trade. Okay, can you watch this? July 17. Can you see this stock called Rex and AA? It's trying to catch up with Rousey, but Rousey is number 1. 120121. July 17. Can you see, guys? It's here. 120121. And on this day, I did a live trading to every of my students. I told all my students, hey guys, today we're going to buy Rousey. Because Rousey is going to run today. All of us are going to hop into Rousey. So watch this. This is me. All of them brought their laptop. Can you see towards the closing, the price is 140141. Can you see, guys? You look at AA. You look at Rex. No more already. Because Rousey take the whole limelight. Rousey took the whole limelight. So AA and Rex cannot run anymore. Everybody focused on Rousey that day. So Rousey went from 120, it went to 141. Can you see, guys? Yes or no? Okay? So this is my account. I bought 5 million shares on July 19. Can you see, guys? I bought 5 million shares here. And I bought an average of 121. And when I look at July 19, I saw July 19 again. Closing price 141. I'm up $98,000. Can you see, guys? Wow, on this day, I can't sleep. On this day, I can't sleep. Oh, I'm up 98,000. Take the money or don't take. I only make 1/10 of a million already, which most people can't even do it in their lifetime. Some of them can't even do it in their lifetime. But do you think my students won't buy 5 million shares? No. Some of them play 100 lot only. Some of them play 20 lot only. But 121 to 141, there's a huge percentage increase. You agree with me, guys? So what do they do? Some of them still riding the trade with me. So I told them, the next day, then we sell Rousley. Because when anyone know why the next day then you sell Rousley, which is July 20th? Anybody know why? It's very simple, no? I told you guys you want to make money, you need to follow the banker. Yes or no, guys? So the next day, if the price runs so much, the next day you'll see Peter Lim face in the newspaper. When you see the Peter Lim face in the newspaper, you buy on news or sell on news? Sell on news, you agree with me, guys? So watch what happened the next day. What should happen the next day? The next day, opening 167, 168. Can you see, guys? Wow, at that point of time, I'm thinking, shit, the stock is rising so fast. The stock is rising so fast. You know why it's rising so fast? Because the next day, which is July 20th, everybody read Business Times or Straits Times, Peter Lim there, on Facebook, everybody talk about Rousley. You agree with me, guys? On that day, watch this. You see the stock rocket? Can you see the volume increase? Peter Lim and Co coming in already. Can you see, guys? But actually, they did not come in. They are slowly starting to let go a little bit by little bit already. Okay? So watch this. So at the time of 9 o'clock in the morning, can you see July 19? July 20th, 9 o'clock in the morning, I check my account again. From $98,000 become $228,000. Good money, guys? Yes or no? Okay. Then, this thing happened. It reached in the afternoon. Can you see reach the noon? It reached noon. And I went to check again. Wow, this time round, I'm almost up 283K already. Good money, guys? Wow. I told myself, I have to let go already. You know why, guys? Watch this. If you don't let go, there are 2 days. You know what happened? You know what happened? July 19 is here. July 20th is here. Boom, gone. So is the market is the stock market for that? Is the stock market there for you to make money or no? I tell you no. If it's there for you to make money, right, guys, you wouldn't be buying so many stocks already. You agree with me, guys? Okay? You follow the big banker. The big banker is Peter Lim. If you don't believe me, Monday comes, I want all of you to see one thing. Every day you watch the top 30 volume, you will see Rousley there. Moving, hundreds of millions. That day, I think it was like 2 days ago, Rousley had a 600 million volume recorded. Wow, a lot. I think the whole Singapore buying Rousley, basically. Okay? That's the only stock that rocket. The rest, not moving one. Okay, guys? Okay? So, to me, you want to make money, follow the what? Follow the what? Banker. Okay? Any questions? Okay. Before I move on to my next slide, I want to share with you guys something. Anybody here love dividend stock? Anybody? 1, 2. Anybody here love capital gain all the way up? No dividend, but keep going up one. Which one? Wow, there's a mix, but I can tell you, most of them love capital gain stock. Why capital gain? I would rather choose capital gain than dividend. Dividend 1 year 4-5%. Capital gain is every month it's just moving up, but no dividend. Which one better, guys? Capital gain or dividend? So I'm going to show you one capital gain stock. Who wants to see? And my group made so much money in their stock. Anyone of you heard about this stock called Hype? Hype? Watch this. Can you see on May 4th? 2017, May 4th. I sent a WhatsApp. Guys, this Hype bullish, enter 73735. Cut loss 705. Big or small loss? Very small loss. You know what happened to Hype after that, guys? May 4th is here. Hype rocket all to 140. 70 cents to 140. Can you see, guys? In 3 months. Can you see? I give a WhatsApp here. 140. But no dividend along the way. Is it good or no good? No dividend, but capital gain. Is that what you want, guys? Or you want to buy a REITs Every day sit there, the price up and down, down, then up, down, not sure one. But your money stuck in your CDP account, you can't move on. Just sitting there rotting. Anyone love capital gain? Put up your hand one more time. Okay? I will show you how to pick capital gain stock. I will show you how to pick capital gain stock. And I want to show you my watch list also later on. Okay? So this high P, this is about the record. This is not my personal record. You see here 30 lots, guys? You see here 30 lots? Bought at 785, still holding unrealized profits at 98 cents. The time she sent me her record is $6,000. So today 140, this is about 20,000 already. You agree with me, guys? With only 30 lots. Not big, 30 lots. This is a CFD account, not a cash account. That means you can do leveraging. Okay? For me, 30 lots is wasting my time. I should be 300 lots, you know what I'm saying? Or 500 lots. Okay? Because 30 lots, you know it's going to make money, you play 30 lots. But all of you can afford 30 lots, right? Yes or no, guys? But I'm not so interested in 30 lots. Okay, guys? But as long as, whether it's 30 lots, 300, 3 million lots, doesn't matter. You buy, the stock move. That's all it matters. Who agree? Yes? Okay? So this is a high P. Okay, guys? You can add me to, you can search me. If you want to add me as a friend in Facebook, you can. Okay? You can go type Ronald K in Facebook. Or you can search my Instagram and StockMarketMindGames. Some days I post some tips on my Instagram and my Facebook. Okay, so you want to add, you can take a picture if you want, you know. Take a picture first. Because my next slide, I will show you something, how I accumulate this stock called, I can't remember, Jumbo, I think. Okay? 2 years ago, I remember I bought 2 million shares of Jumbo. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. And I want to show you my watch list later on. Okay, done? Okay. Let's move on. Okay, I'll show you a recent one first. M1. Can you see M1? The company buyback shares. Can you see on this day, I sent 174, 175. We bought M1 into 174, 175 at 929. The cut loss is 170. Can you see, guys? On this day, which is, I think was August, this month only. So can you see, August 17, we also bought M1. We bought here. WhatsApp, 929, we bought M1, 174, 175. And can you see the stock rose? Can you see the stock rose? Can you see? Now, do you know why? Anybody here can answer me. Do you know why the stock rose here? Do you know why the stock rose there? Anyone can answer me? Ma'am, correct. You see here? 929. But ma'am, you see this? 929, I gave the WhatsApp. Can you see, guys? I want all of you to see what done the share buyback, the news release. 6 what? 6:30, the company announced the share buyback. So I ask you guys a question. Is it late or not late the next day you buy? Late or not late? You want to buy before or after? Before. Can you see if you follow the banker? I'm showing you trades that before it runs, before the news up, I'm inside already. If you follow the banker correctly, right, you can make a lot of money. Who agree, guys? Yes? You need to follow the banker. There are a lot of bankers you can't see. Probably one of the bankers sitting here, you also don't know. Yes or no? But it doesn't matter. As long as you can see the chart, the banker about to move, you can see, you hop in with him. Okay? So this is M1. And I want to share you this one or two more. My time is decreasing. Okay. I want all of you to see December 11. Can you see December 11, guys? 2015. I bought Jumbo at 35, 36. Can you see 35, 36? I bought 2 million shares of Jumbo here. When Jumbo is at 35, 36, 2 years ago, I started whacking in Jumbo big time. And watch this. These are all the WhatsApps I sent for Jumbo. So much WhatsApp to send to Jumbo. And I start to buy here Jumbo. Can you see Jumbo? On the left-hand side of this chart. I start to buy 2 million shares of Jumbo here. And can you see from 2016, the price, 1 year later, the price is 77 cents already. Can you see, guys? I want to tell you guys something about Jumbo. From here to here, is it a good money, guys? Is it good money? No dividend, but the stock is rising non-stop. Can you see, guys? Okay, so watch this. Do you agree with me? Most news comes out here. Most of the good news always here. You agree, guys? No good news will come out from here. Who agree? Yes? Okay, so watch this. All these are my records. 500 lots, 800 lots. All these are my records. I give WhatsApp, Jumbo, buy. This is about, and can you see the long? Can you see action, open action, quantity, 350 lots, 30 lots. I keep buying non-stop. Because I know this is a growth stock in the making and it will fly. You know what I'm saying, guys? So I keep buying non-stop. Wow, guys, you won't believe this. On this day, Jan 13, can you see Jan 13? I went to SGX website. SGX, I saw this guy called Ron Sim. Not Ron K, it's Ron Sim. He bought Jumbo, you know what price? Jan 13, right? Which day is that, guys? Which day is that? Jan 13, this year. Watch this. I checked. Ron Sim bought 32 million shares, $21 million. Can you see, guys? Jan 13 is here. This December, Jan 13 is here. 70 cents plus already. What price did I bought, guys? 35, 36 cents. I average all the way up. 40 cents also I buy. Can you see, guys? So what does it tell you? Can you, if there's a banker and if there's a chart, can you read before the chart? Can you see I'm selling to Ron Sim price, 73 cents? I'm selling already. Can you see, guys? Okay, I offload all my Jumbo and I move on to another stock. Okay? So after that, I saw all the good news start to release. Oh, Jumbo bought crab, you know. They opened a seafood restaurant. All these are 2017. Can you see, guys? Look at this. Can you see this 2017? All the news came out in 2017. But I started accumulating in 2015. Before the news out, I'm there already. Can you see, guys? Okay, so it's very important. You want to make money, I repeat again, you better follow the banker. Okay? Now, so after that, Jumbo rose and the rest was history. Okay? Now, so how do we pick growth stocks? How do we pick growth stocks? So we're going to look for companies with strong volume plays. Okay? If you buy this stock called Maricha, yesterday, after so many years, it finally privatized. If you buy this stock called Acrylis, you know, anyone of you heard before this stock called Acrylis? Your money cannot flow. It be jammed there, stuck there forever. You agree with me, guys? So stock is very important. You need to pick the right stock. The moment you pick a wrong stock, you trade, you cannot make money. Who agree? And your funds will be stuck in your CDP account. That's how I learned my 100K lesson back in my early 20s. I buy, keep the stock. The stock keep tumbling. 2008, there's a crisis. The stock keep tumbling. I keep cutting loss. And I realized one thing. Why people keep losing money? They don't know how to follow the banker. Or they use fundamental. Do you agree with me, Jumbo? There's no fundamental when I buy 35, 36 cents. When it went IPO, no fundamental. But I buy because the banker is buying. Okay? So, what's my watch list in 2018? MM2, Rousley and Speckman. I don't have to share too many stocks. Okay? But these few stocks is good enough already. Okay? If I dare to accumulate, so total I got how many million shares of Rousley, guys? My 5 million plus 6 million, I got 11 million shares of Rousley. You agree? If I dare to play 11 million shares, means I'm very confident about the stock. You agree with me? Yes or no, guys? Okay? So it's very important to find good stocks. Okay? I think these three stocks are not bad. In fact, guys, as I speak today is Saturday, right? MM2 yesterday ran already. Speckman, lucky I bought 1 million shares yesterday. It ran also yesterday. Okay? So, too bad. But still can buy for growth. But you must buy in when the banker is going to hop in again. Okay? Okay, guys. I'm almost done with my preview on my talk. Coming Monday and coming Tuesday, from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., I got a talk. And I'm going to share more in depth. Can you see this? My presentation is only about 35 minutes or 30 minutes. I can't share much. So in my office at Raffles Place, I can share much more. You know what I'm saying, guys? I got hours. I only need 2 hours to share with you. And if you're interested, guys, to come for my talk, you can SMS your name, your email, your name to this address. And I want to tell you something, guys. I can only take in 77 people each day. So first come, first serve. For example, if you SMS me now, and the next person that SMS me later, the next person can't come. The moment it hits 75 to 77 people, the next person cannot come. I will not send you email anymore because my office cannot take too many people. So if you're interested, you can take out your phone now and you can SMS to this number now that put your name, your email, and tonight check your email. The location will be in the email that you can come for my event. Okay, guys? If you didn't receive an email from me, means too many people already. You cannot come in anymore. Okay, guys? So if you don't want people to intercept you, you better SMS now. Yes or no, guys? Okay? First come, first serve. I don't take too many people. 73, about there. Done already. Okay? 73 to 75, about there. Done. Okay? Any questions, guys? Any questions? I hope today my speech is able to change the way how you think about the market. Doesn't matter if it's a growth stock, blue chip. I tell you something, guys. Over the years, over the course, the one thing that cost me big time is always the blue chip. Look at Capital Corp, $12 becomes $6. Look at SPH, how much? $4 become, don't know how much, $2 plus or something like that. Or $5, $6 become $3. Look at M1, $2, $3 become $1 plus. All these are blue chip. Look at, what's the next blue chip? Look at Noble. A lot of auntie, uncle love Noble. $2 become consolidated to 40 cents. In fact, not 40 cents, less than 10 cents. Okay, guys? So the blue chip, not making money. Do you know what's the stock that always make money? I'm not saying I'm very super, but I'm just saying what stock that make money. It's the Peter Lim type of stock. Growth stock like Jumbo, Rousley. You realize one thing, Peter Lim don't buy blue chip one. He buy 20 cents, 30 cents. Wilmar used to be 30 cents. Wilmar used to be 30 cents. And from 30 cents, it become a blue chip $7. And from there, $7, he sell into the blue chip. He become a billionaire there. So to make money, don't buy the old man. Buy the young kid. Because blue chip is developed. You buy the baby boomer, still growing one. You agree with me, guys? You see, you also high P just now, still growing. 70 cents, become 140 in 3 months. Still growing. You buy this M1 or what? Tumble. Go and see the chart, tumbling one. Okay, guys? Okay. But unfortunately, all of us are conditioned to believe blue chip is safe. No blue chip is safe. Okay, guys? No blue chip is safe. If Noble can tumble, no blue chip is safe anymore. Okay, guys? Okay, I'm done for my speech. I'll stay back here until 12 or 11:30. I'm done already. I'll be at my booth. You can visit my booth outside. You can talk to me. You can ask me stocks, etc. And after that, I'll be going home already. Okay, I don't want to stay until 4 p.m. So if you have any questions, you can talk to me. Okay, guys? Okay. So thank you. I received a lot of SMS. My guy here is Chris. He got a lot of SMS coming in. So I repeat again. After 73, 77 people, you just SMS your email, your name, whether you prefer to come Monday or Tuesday. We will send you the email. But if we don't send you the email, means no seat already. So first come, first serve. Whoever SMS now, get it first. Okay, guys? Too many people. You can see, not enough to contain everyone. Okay? So just remember to do this. Your name, email. The most important is you tell me Monday or Tuesday. Because some people don't indicate. You don't know come Monday or Tuesday. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. I'm done for today. And I'll see you guys outside later on.